I knew it. Acting all innocent. I'm not the first, am I? How many women have you abducted?
That's my friend.
Where is she? Popped out of the space walk.
She's gone.
Gone where?
What else do they say about him? That he's brilliant, that he's a fool, that he's a gentleman, that he's a womanizer, that he's everything you want, and that he's everything you don't.